Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can roll back saves on Palworld. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open up search on the bottom here, then you need to write run, and then here on this new window, we need to write % local app data %, press OK, and then you need to look for Pal folder. Press on that, then press on saved, then save games, and then here it will be, if you play with only one Steam account, here it will be one account, but if you have multiple, it will be more accounts here. And then you just need to Google out how you can basically look what Steam ID is. But for me, as you can see here, it's only one Steam ID, so you need to press on that. And then here you will see your world's folders. So currently I have one world on Palworld, but if you want to know what world folder is, you just need to go in game, and then you will see when was the last save made, and then you need to basically justify with date modified. So last save for me on that world was 10:29 a.m. and on game it should be the same time, and basically it will be that particular world that you're looking, right? And then on this window here, if you want to roll back saves, you need to go to backup, local, and then you need to here it will be the date when you modified, and then you need to just copy this file here, copy this file, go back on backup folder here, and we just need to paste it here and replace the file destination. And of course, first of all, if you don't want to lose your previously game data, maybe copy these files somewhere else and then just roll back saves, because the file and the save will be rewritten, right? And then again on go to backup world, select the timestamp, for me this one, and then what you need to do here is to also copy these files here and go back on the this folder here and rewrite it, right? And that's pretty much it, what you need to do here if you want to roll back saves. But of course, first of all, what you need to do here is to just back up the files here. Just copy this folder to your desktop or whatever you like. All right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.